Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing of today. We will first see the monsoon condition over the country during past 24 hours. Then we will look into the synoptic scenario today and what is its forecast during next 5 days. And then we will be looking into the weather warning during next 5 days. So first of all, this today we have a well-marked low pressure area over coastal Bangladesh and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal. The monsoon trough is passing through uh, Firozpur to the south of Delhi, Aligarh, and then Prayagraj, then Daltonganj, and then to the center of well-marked low pressure area over coastal Bangladesh and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal. So and there is also high moisture feed in lower levels from North Arabian Sea to this monsoon trough, which is slightly to the north of its normal position. Under the influence of all these systems, the extremely heavy rainfall has occurred over that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall has occurred at 10 at 5 stations of Gangetic West Bengal in West Midnapur and East Midnapur districts and Haldia. That is rainfall amounting to 26 and 22 centimeter. Canning has reported, which is also in Gangetic West Bengal, 19 centimeter rainfall. South 24 Pargana has reported 18 centimeter rainfall. Except this, Punjab and Haryana has reported heavy to very heavy rainfall. Over Gurdaspur of Punjab, 15 centimeter rainfall has been observed, and Karnal, Panchkula, and Kathal of Haryana has reported 12 centimeter rainfall during past 24 hours. So that's why the monsoon has remained vigorous over Gangetic West Bengal, Punjab, and Haryana during past 24 hours. That is more than 4 times normal rainfall has been observed over these three subdivisions, and active monsoon conditions has been observed over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and West UP. As far as since there is no major significant synoptic system, there is no shear zone, there is not active offshore trough, and there is no lower level westerly winds hitting the west coast are not stronger enough. So that's why the this west coast and the entire peninsular India has experienced weak monsoon conditions. This we can see this is the entire monsoon activity over the entire country during the this monsoon season, that is beginning from 1st June of 2021 up to 29th July of 2021. So till today, the monsoon total actual rainfall over the country has been 427 mm, which is which percentage departure from normal is -2. So this is close to very close to the normal rainfall. And if we look into the category wise subdivisions which has experienced this monsoon rainfall, then we can see the large access to excess monsoon rainfall has been observed over peninsular India only, barring your this Kerala, Lakshadweep, and coastal Karnataka and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Rather than this, all this Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, North and South India, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and Karaikal, and this Telangana and Rayalaseema has remained access to large access monsoonal rainfall category. And also Gangetic West Bengal and Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi has experienced excess rainfall during this monsoon season. Except this, if we look into the this deficient monsoon rainfall condition, so that has been over only Northeast India, Odisha, East Rajasthan, and the Gujarat state. And as we have just seen, Kerala and Lakshadweep. Except this, over the entire country or entire North India, the monsoon has remained normal. So deficient subdivisions are only 9 in number, and rest all the subdivisions, that is 27 subdivisions, have experienced normal access to large access rainfall during this monsoon season. Synoptic system, as we have seen, the Wellmark low pressure area today lies over Gangetic, this coastal Bangladesh and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal, and there is a cyclonic circulation over East Uttar Pradesh between 1.5 and 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level, and there is a cyclonic circulation over Haryana at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level, and monsoon trough, western end of the monsoon trough is passing slightly to the north of its normal position. So accordingly, in the satellite image, we can see intense to very intense convection over Bangladesh adjoining Gangetic West Bengal and this North Bay of Bengal, and there is also intense convection over central parts of Uttar Pradesh. So this well-marked low pressure area during next 4 to 5 days, it is likely to move across Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, southern parts of Bihar, southern parts of UP, North MP, North Chhattisgarh. And under this movement of this low pressure area, this our warning hotspot is going to be over these regions only. And also, as we have seen that there is a high moisture feeding in lower levels from North Arabian Sea to this monsoon trough. So our another the warning hotspot is going to be East Rajasthan during next 3 4 days. So this is the weather warning for next 5 days. So isolated extremely heavy rainfall is very likely, that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal, and heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is from 11 to 20 centimeter rainfall is very likely over Bihar, southern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, and northern parts of Odisha. And due to this uh, northward shifting of the slight northward shifting of the western end of the monsoon trough, isolated heavy to, and also the uh, additional this moisture feeding from the North Arabian Sea, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall area is going to be over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and West UP for today during next 24 hours. And if we come for the warning for tomorrow, then this warning zone over this Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana, and West UP and East UP is going to be slightly reduced, although Uttarakhand will continue to experience isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. But this East Rajasthan, due to this confluence zone of high moisture feeding from North Arabian Sea and easterly winds from this Bay of Bengal, East Rajasthan is very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall, and isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely over West Rajasthan. And then this East Rajasthan would continue to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall on 31st of July and 1st of August as well. And on 2nd of August, this extremely heavy rainfall scenario over East Rajasthan would reduce to isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. And West Rajasthan would experience isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 30th and 31st of July. And on 1st and 2nd of July, it would reduce to just isolated heavy rainfall. As far as Madhya Pradesh is concerned, so East MP is going to experience isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 29th and 30th, 30th, and then on 31st, entire MP, West and East MP are very likely to experience this isolated extremely heavy rainfall on 31st. So this Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, North Chhattisgarh area are like very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall on day two, that is 30th of July. So this all warning of this East India and adjoining Central India is in view of this westward movement of this well-marked low pressure area. So this accordingly this extremely heavy rainfall and very heavy rainfall zone is shifting westwards, as we can see in this graphic. So on as we can see that after 31st, this rainfall scenario over East India is going to be substantially reduced, and this is going to be concentrated over MP, East Rajasthan, and UP only. So that's all about East India, Central India, and Northwest India. And as far as this South India and this South Peninsular and North Peninsular India is concerned, so during next 5 days there is no heavy rainfall likelihood, there is no heavy rainfall likely scenario over this southern peninsular India or north peninsular India, due to absence of any active, as we have seen, strong westerly winds hitting the west coast or shear zone, or an active offshore trough. So only scattered to fairly widespread, that is from a few to many places, would experience over this region, these north and south peninsular India, light to moderate rainfall. But this Konkan and Goa is very likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall during next 4 days. That is also very likely to reduce on day 5, that is 2nd of August. So that's all. And Gujarat is also is not going to experience any heavy rainfall during this 5 day period. So that's all about uh, uh, during next 5 days weather warning scenario. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Till then, thank you very much and goodbye.